This is a portable monitor that can be a lifesaver in case you need a clean, decluttered desk. It's 22 inches, can be used for both gaming and productivity, and above all, you can carry it with you. This is the UPerfect UMAX 22 portable monitor. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. So let's see what you get in the box and then we shall go through the functions of this monitor. Obviously, the monitor itself is the main thing here. It comes with a metal body and a cool kickstand to keep it in place, but it also has a VESA mount system, so you can use it as a regular monitor on a stand, which we shall see too. You have two USB-C cables here and one mini HDMI cable alongside a power brick. For a portable monitor, 22-inch sounds rather large, but I wanted to see how this one can be used as a primary monitor, for example, for a bare minimal setup. I tried editing a video on it, and hey, it's fully usable. It supports 100% sRGB color spectrum, so I had zero issues there. Viewing angles are also great at 178 degrees thanks to its IPS screen and 2560 by 1440 resolution. Although refresh rate is 60 Hz, working on it was not an issue. For gaming, you might want to consider other models with higher refresh rate, but again, if I wanted to game on it, even that was not a problem. The panel is bright 300 nits, enough to be used in a well-lit room during daytime and good during nighttime as well, since it doesn't strain your eyes thanks to the built-in blue light filter. It has a metal kickstand that allows it to be positioned the way you want it to be. But you can also use a VESA mount or something like this VESA rotating and adjustable stand from UPerfect as well. Regarding the connections, it has two USB-C ports, one mini HDMI port on the left side, and on the right side it has micro USB OTG port, headphone output jack and control buttons to access on-screen display menu, control the volume of built-in speakers and change video source. In the OSD menu you can set picture parameters, but also choose the predefined picture presets or profiles. You can also enable HDR mode, but this is that entry-level HDR mode, so do not expect miracles here. It will enhance the picture a bit, but nothing like the true HDR would. Although being a 60 Hz panel, it still has FreeSync, which is a nice feature to have. The OSD menu is pretty basic, but has just enough to set everything that matters. The panel is semi-glossy, which is nice. While gaming with a game controller, I haven't noticed any strange behavior, even though it has 20 milliseconds response time. But I had zero issues playing racing games or FPS games or any games that matter. Also, sorry about the half-bad picture. My light is semi-reflecting from the screen itself, making you see pixels. You don't see this at all while looking at it in real life. I mean, you can see how it looks better when a shot from a different angle. For example, when watching a movie or any media consumption, everything looks extremely gorgeous on it. Mounting an additional VESA mount on it is easy as it gets. Just turn it over, put a mount over it and tighten 4 screws and all of a sudden you have a nice semi-portable monitor. So why semi? Because a 22-inch monitor is so-so on a bigger side and not that much portable, but you can use it perfectly fine as a secondary monitor or actually a monitor for a secondary setup or work on the go. I used it for several days to edit videos on it and the experience of a decluttered desk was awesome. But you do need better speakers, as built-in speakers are underpowered. They are okay if you need sound on the go. If you do not have the additional stand, which I highly recommend you do get since it will elevate the monitor at the correct eye level, you can get by with a kickstand as it keeps it firmly in place, but viewing it at that level, I mean that angle, for a long time can fatigue your neck. I like that it has thin bezels, viewing angles are amazing, picture is awesome, but what sticks out is the obvious side ports. I mean, I do get that these needed to be on a side, but at least 90-degree angled cables or something could have been worked and made that those ports remain on the back side. Would make it 10 times better in my opinion if they were on a back side. I know that you can get some angled cables and lessen the obvious thing, but just know that it might annoy you. But in case you need an extra secondary monitor for console gaming and such, I mean something on the go, it is priced around $300 now. With my code you can get some discount, but what is even better, head over to my Instagram page, there is currently a giveaway of this exact monitor. So, I hope you liked the video, thanks for watching guys, like and share, sub to the channel and make sure to enter the giveaway. See you in the next one.